Are you searching for the best airless paint sprayer machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best airless paint sprayer machine in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, VEVOR High Pressure Airless Wall Paint Sprayer. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2, FengKe Professional Airless Spray Machine. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3, VEVOR Airless Spraying Machine. Professional sprayer, high efficiency, easy to operate. Airless paint spraying generates a smooth, uniform finish. It is equipped with a powerful 2200W motor. The detachable design offers a quick and easy cleaning after spraying. Our spray gun is fit to work with a variety of materials. It is also widely used home furniture, garden furniture, garage doors, etc. Airless paint sprayer, high efficiency airless technology, powerful gun, long distance spring, long lasting, easy cleaning. Considerate details. The paint sprayer is an easy to use sprayer that applies a smooth finish without brush marks. Perfect for painting big projects like home exteriors, fences, decks, garages, furniture, trim and more. It can also spray various emulsions, latex, enamel, primer, transparent sealant, and varnish.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4, FengKe Professional Piston Pump Spray Gun Working Airless Spraying Machine. Professional. The professional double spray gun is designed to be used in a wide range of applications. It can be used as a standard sprayer, and you can use it with confidence. Spray gun. This spray gun uses a high-performance sprayer to spray the paint on any surface, including mirrors, walls, and other surfaces. Oil painting machine. The double spray gun can be used in different environments, such as sanding, oil painting, etc. It is very suitable for use in homes, offices, and other places. Professional Airless Paint Machine. This professional double spray gun is made of high-quality PVC plastic, which is non-toxic and tasteless. It can be used for painting on the surface of the machine to make your life more comfortable.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5, CNCEST Airless Spraying Machine for Furniture and Interior Walls. Key features, uniform spraying. This type of sprayer is fan-shaped and dispersed, which not only saves paint but also makes the adhesion effect better and the wall surface more uniform and delicate. Controllable pressure. This item has a rotary switch that controls the amount of pressure. You can adjust it to your proper pressure range according to different needs of spraying. Time and effort saving. The high-pressure spraying machine compared with the traditional manual method, spraying more uniform and delicate, with better adhesion. Using the machine can save you more time and cost. High stability. The bottom of this sprayer has a parallel double bar support design, which will make the sprayer more stable to place. It will not shake during use. Easy to carry. The compact design with a built-in handle makes it easy to move around the work area. This makes it easier to carry.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.